Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix vocal problems in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, in the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix vocal problems in Bandlab. So fixing vocal problems in Bandlab can involve several steps depending on the specific issue you're facing. We have latency issues, so click on the gear icon at the top right and select the latency correction. We have background noise, right click on the audio region and select the noise to reduce background noise. Also, clipping and distortion, so ensure your microphone input levels are not too high to avoid clipping. We have muddy vocals also, so use the EQ to cut low frequencies that are muddying the vocals. We have, of course, the sibilants, so use the de-esser to reduce harsh S sound in your vocals. And vocal timing issues, so set up a metronome to record your vocal in time with it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.